Good morning children. Now we are going to see question number 5 proof. In this proof you don't have any given data. Directly you are having just prove that sin 4 alpha is equal to 4 tan alpha into 1 minus tan square alpha by 1 plus tan square alpha. That's all. Shall we move now? Let us start with LHS as usual. This is simple problem. This is 3-mark question. Do carefully. How we are going to proceed now? This 4 alpha can be written as 2 into 2 alpha. We know that sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. Is it not? So that formula we are going to apply here. 2, this is 2, this 2 only, this 2. Okay, then what is theta? In theta place what you are having? 2 alpha. Here theta is nothing but 2 alpha. So in right hand side wherever you are having theta, there you should give 2 alpha. Okay, so 2 sin theta is nothing but 2 alpha into cos 2 alpha. Okay, now we know that the formula for sin 2a and formula for cos 2a, that both the formulas must be related to tan. So that related identity can be applied. Since you are having for sin 2a 2 formula and cos 2a 4 formulas, out of 2 you take tan related identity and out of 4 formula you take tan related identity. Okay, now sin 2 alpha 2 tan alpha by 1 plus tan square alpha. Okay, now for what is cos 2 alpha? This is a product only, no? Cos 2 alpha 1 minus tan square alpha by 1 plus tan square alpha. Okay, now if you multiply this 4 tan alpha, is it not? And the numerator is 1 minus tan square alpha and denominator is 1 plus tan square 1 plus tan square 1 plus tan square the whole square. Are you getting the proof now? Is it clear everybody? Yes. So this is nothing but the RHS, hence proved. Clear children? You try to recollect all the identities. That is the only way to learn trigonometry. Look here children, this is question number 6. Given a plus b equal to 45 degree. This is given in the question as if a plus b equal to 45 degree, then show that 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b equal to 2. So you are going to use the given part initially by taking a plus b equal to 45 degree. Since the proof is related to tan ratio, we are going to take tan on both sides. Okay, tan a plus b equal to tan 45. Tan a tan b, you know that formula, tan a plus b formula. What is the formula? Tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b. Is it not? What is tan 45 value? 1. Okay, now cross multiply this. Since your proof is not a fraction, you are doing cross multiplication. Okay, 1 into anything, the number itself. Okay, now in right hand side of your proof just a number only. So I am going to keep this number alone here. I am going to bring this to the left side. Already what is existing in left side, that you should write as it is. Along with that you are going to write, see the left hand side is in the factor form, 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b. When will you get such type of factor form? Only when there is a 4 term you can get the factor form. Here we are having just 3 terms, you cannot factorize this. And at the same time right hand side is 2. Okay, to make the right hand side 2 we can add 1. If you add in 1 in the left hand side also, left hand side becomes 4 terms. And now that left hand side will be ready for taking factorization. Clear? Clear children? So for that purpose only we are going to add 1 on both sides. Add 1 on both sides. Anything you are doing, compensation must be there. No, right hand side 2 or 1 add panna, left hand side also you should add 1. So remove 1 pannamna original line will get. Okay, so 1 plus tan a plus tan b plus tan A into tan B is equal to 1 plus 1. Clear? Now I am going to take common out from this. What is common here? There is the possibility of taking this to 1 as common. Is it not? If you take 1 common out from here, the inner terms are 1 plus tan A. What is the possibility of taking common out from these two terms? Possibility is tan B plus, I am going to take tan B common out from these two. If I take tan B common out, 1 plus tan A is the inner term. Clear? And the right hand side becomes what? Just 2. Now I can take 1 plus tan A as common. Okay? So if I take 1 plus tan A as common, then what are the remaining terms? 1 plus tan B. Okay? If you are thorough with the factorization, this process is very simple only. Okay? And now you can check with the proof. Are you getting the proof? Yes. Hence proved. Clear, children?